Let it be known that they are now of one heart, one flesh, one soul. Cursed be he who would seek to tear them asunder. It is my great pleasure to now introduce you to Lord Christian Giles and Lady Bree Giles. You may now seal this union with a kiss.
Christian, there are so many things that I want to say to you today. So many that I feel I could write a novel about our love for one another. I would start the introduction with how a boy and a girl met.
You're doing great. You're doing
How a boy and a girl met and a friendship arose. How they laughed at each other's jokes, admired one another's quirks, how they supported each other in hardship, and eventually how they found love slowly but all at once. I would tell of the love between them that wasn't supposed to be. The love that felt so real and true that neither could escape. In the first chapter, I would mention how the boy and girl jumped hand in hand into a life together, wholeheartedly and unexpectedly. I would express how the girl felt for the first time in her life, a love that she never had experienced before. A love that was honest, safe, grounded, and vulnerable. A love that felt too good to be true. But as time passed, that love blossomed even more, and she knew that love was forever. In the next chapter, I would explain how the boy cared for the girl's daughter and how he wanted to help raise her into an amazing human. How the boy and girl grew their family, one fur baby at a time. How they grew their chosen family with some of the most amazing people we will ever know. I would write of their adventures and travels and how with each and every day they grew closer in love. I would then end the story with a love letter as follows. Christian, I want to express to you what a light you are in my life. The life we've created together is nothing short of a dream for me. You made me happier than I ever could think possible. And I want to thank you for that. So, finally, here's what I'd like to promise you. I vow to be your biggest fan and #1 supporter, to push you and challenge you to be the best version of yourself. I vow to be tender and patient, to be vulnerable and open with you, to always be honest and forthcoming. I vow to never stop reminding you of what a beautiful person you are inside and out. And I vow to never stop pursuing you. I vow to stand by your side and weather every storm that comes our way. Lastly, I won't vow to you that I will love you forever, because saying that is like saying the earth revolves around the sun. It's not a hopeful remark or a best guess. It just is. So instead, I will say this. I will promise to fall in love with the new person you become at each new chapter for the rest of our lives, because I want my love story to start and end with you. Your turn.
It's a tough act to follow. I never knew it was possible to love someone as much as I love you, but I had always hoped. It's been said that true love is the soul's recognition of its counterpart in another person. Without a single doubt in my mind, I can say that you are that person that my soul has been searching for. Never in my life have I been able to give myself so entirely to another person, only to feel that same love returned tenfold. From the very first day I met you to this very day, my love for you has only grown as I continue to understand just how amazing you are. Inside and out, you truly are the most beautiful person I've ever met in my life, and I often wonder how I got so lucky to be able to feel your warm light shine upon me every day. You have forever changed me. Everyone sees just how you bring out the best version of me. Just looking at you makes me want to be the best version of me, because you deserve nothing less. I truly appreciate how effortless our love has been, and I promise I will never take that for granted. I want nothing more than to make you as happy as humanly possible by promising to always show up for you every day and to give you my everything each day. Our time together has been the happiest I have ever been, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you at my side. You are the love of my life. Bree, today, I forever commit to you my soul. I am hers and she is mine from this day to the end of my days.
Beautiful, thank you. Let it be known that they are now of one heart, one flesh, one soul. Cursed be he who would seek to tear them asunder. It is my great pleasure to now introduce you to Lord Christian Giles and Lady Bree Giles. You may now seal this union with a kiss.
Finally. Look.
We're married!
Don't you see what's next? 'Cause things have gone right for once. Every time I get here, something's wrong. But